Pow 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 pew pew pow 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 pew pew pow 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 pow. Hello my little kids, it's Chinny. Today we'll be making some mozzarella sticks. Let's get started. Now, before you accuse me, I already washed my hands and I am wearing an apron. You just don't see it. The reason why I didn't show washing my hands was because that my sink was very dirty. So here's a picture of how to wash your hands. Make sure to follow this, okay? And now, let's start by cutting the cheese. I know, I'm cutting them pretty thin. But that's just because I want to have a lot more. And I only have a block of cheese left. So yeah. Oh, by the way, here are the ingredients you guys are gonna need. First of all, cheese. Now, the second ingredient is egg. Third, flour. And fourth are breadcrumbs. Remember, the breadcrumbs are very important. Just cutting cheese.
Much later.
Alright, since there are eggs in this recipe, I would like to identify the possible hazards first. First of all, biohazards. There could be bacteria from any dirt or the egg itself. Physical hazards. There could be eggshells in the bowl, so you need to look out for that. If you see an eggshell like I did, you need to take it out because it could be dangerous. You might choke on it. If you're just cooking egg itself, not like mozzarella sticks, you need to cook it very well. Trust me, you do not want to know what happens. So now, if something went wrong with this recipe, I would have to throw it out. But if it will be uncooked later on, I would end up in the hospital again. Anyways, I would like to explain what HACCP is. First, HACCP means Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. It is important to stop food poisoning. When we follow HACCP, we can eat safely and healthy with our family and not end up in the hospital. Okay, so first, you're gonna need to dip the cheese in flour, and then you're gonna need to dip it in egg, and then dip it in the breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna do it 3 times. Dip in the egg, dip in breadcrumbs, then dip in egg again, so we got a good coating.
The next day.
Okay, so we're now ready. So if you put a sprinkle of water in it and it turns to little bulbs, it's ready. So let's put our oil. There we go. Spray some on there. We gotta get all around the pan so it's good and covered.
Much later.
Okay, so I got some in the pan. Now, it needs to look like this. So I'll be back in a few.
The next day.
Okay, so we're done. So you just gotta get your sauce. Any sauce will do. I'm using mayonnaise and ketchup. And ketchup plus mayonnaise. So we're all done here. So bye!